Good day, viewers. A quick tip video. I'm working on a 2016 Ford Fusion. I'm diagnosing a no audio system, and I want to share with you guys this trick. Now I am here in the back at the trunk, and I disconnected this module. This car comes with the 8-inch touchscreen with the sync. So this module comes with this system that has sync only. Now these this pin 1 to 10, 11 to 20. So 1 and 11 speakers, 2, 12, 3, 13, 4, 14. If you want to see activity here and you don't have a speaker, all you can do is put your voltmeter on volt AC and come here. I'll show you pin 1. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. 1 and 11. Right here. So now what you should see is voltage change. This is not much because I turned the audio down so we don't get demonetized. I'm gonna bring it up for a minute. See it? Voltage went up. And to prove it, hopefully I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna switch to the oh man, that's gonna be really hard.
Here's full of questions like, is there a care?
So that's how you check if you don't have a speaker. Now I'm gonna show you, let me turn it down, and I'm gonna show you a speaker that is not going to work. And in my case, this is bad. I have to change this. They have to change it. But while my check-in, I found out that 3 and 13, 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, have no change in the voltage. See it? I have no change in the voltage. That means we're not gonna get any audio. And to prove it, here we go, we don't have any audio. So I have to diagnose this more. I have to go back to the radio, behind the radio, and do the same thing that I did. And if I have sound or voltage change at the radio, that means there is a cut between the radio and that module in the trunk. If I don't have it, that means the audio control module is defect. But yeah, I found it really useful to share with you guys this trick. One more time, I'm gonna switch to 4 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 14. See it? How it's changing? So I hope this will help you diagnosing your system better, quicker. Thank you guys for watching.